Now that the holidays are in full swing, I thought I'd share my recipe for the perfect hot chocolate. The rich and smooth texture are fantastic, not to mention the beautiful froth that make this a holiday treat. For this recipe, I'm using Nutella, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and last but not least, Abuelita Mexican chocolate, which I grew up enjoying as a kid. First, I set the milk in a pot over medium heat and bring that to a simmer. This recipe works really well with regular milk as well as almond milk. While that is working, I'm going to blend the chocolate chips, Nutella, and Mexican chocolate until it's combined. The main purpose here is to break apart the chocolate chips and Abuelita chocolate until it's in powder form. Mexican chocolate is quite hard and can take a long time to dissolve, so by breaking it up, we speed up that process significantly. They do sell an Abuelita chocolate that comes in powder form, but its flavor isn't as bold as the traditional rounds, and it's processed differently, so I recommend getting the original kind. Now that my milk is ready, I'm going to add that to the blender along with a dash of cinnamon. Blend that until everything is well combined. I'm going to finish this off with whipped topping and a dash of cinnamon to bring out that beautiful Mexican chocolate flavor. This is the best hot chocolate you will ever have. The rich and smooth texture are fantastic, not to mention the beautiful froth that make this a holiday treat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share below. Have a blessed day.